Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're not new. My name is Carly. I do a lot of videos about Louis Vuitton repairs. I have repaired maybe 10 bags, done full Vachetta replacements on them. So today I have another repair unboxing. This is going to be of the Louis Vuitton Favorite MM. It's right here. I did open it already because it came yesterday and the shipping box was extremely damaged. Like, it was completely open. So I hurried up and opened it because I thought they stole it. Like, it was open. But thank God everything was in there. Nothing was missing. So I'm just gonna go over the repair and show you guys. So here is the repair contract that comes with your repair, and they always send a handwritten note. Supposedly it's supposed to be from the person who repaired your item, but they always say the same thing. So I think that they just have a stack of these. It has been my pleasure to repair your beautiful Louis Vuitton favorite. May this bag continue to bring you great memories. They always say that same exact thing. I think it's a nice touch, but anyway, here it is. This box seems kind of small for it, like they kind of shoved it in. Also, when you do a repair, when you send your item in, don't send the dust bag because you always get a brand new dust bag. So here it is. Doing this with one hand, so bear with me. Okay. So what I had done to this was everything, basically. I had this front plate replaced. I had both of the chaps replaced, and I had the crossbody strap replaced. So it's basically a brand new bag. It'll last for, this one's from 2013, so this year, this bag is 10 years old. So it should last another 10 years easily. The strap is the chain, I don't think they replaced it, but it looks really good. It looks new. There's no tarnishing on the hardware or anything. So I'm very happy with it. I used it maybe for a week before I sent it in, and I was using it with this organizer, and I was like, dang, this bag is just too small. It doesn't fit anything, and I don't carry that much. It couldn't even fit my basic SLGs. So really quick, I'm using my Speedy 25 bandolier, and I want to see without the organizer if all my stuff will fit in it. Otherwise, I've got it listed for sale in the Facebook groups if anybody's interested. So this is a bag I used last week. Today's Sunday. I switch my bags once a week so one bag doesn't get a lot of wear on it. So I'm going to be switching out of my Speedy 25. Haven't decided if I'm going to use this bag next week or not. Got my Keepall 45 here in the back. I also got this out of the Facebook groups, but it was not as described. So maybe I'll do another video on that bag. I do love it, but I was completely lied to about the condition of the bag. Anyway, So I'm going to take everything out of this BD25, put it in the favorite, and see if I can fit what I carry on a daily basis. Let's go. Nothing in it. It does have this back pocket here. It's not very big. So let's see. First thing, got my Romy card holder. I just did a video on this card holder. It's the last video right before this video. Let's see if I can fit it in the pocket. Oh yeah, it fits perfectly in the pocket. That's great. Okay. Got my Victorine wallet. This doesn't necessarily have to fit because I switched from my Victorine wallet to the Romy card holder, but we'll just act like I'm using both. I've got my Kirigami, my small Kirigami that I use for my Louis Vuitton perfume samples. There. Got my 4-key holder. That definitely is something that I take with me every day. There. Got my Louis Vuitton perfume atomizer. This currently has the Contre Moi in it. Put that on the side. Tic Tacs. EOS lip balm. Another lip balm. This is a part of a set. A sugar scrub for your lips, and then you put this on after. I love it. I love the way it feels on your lips. Another chapstick. That's all that's in the main compartment of this BD25. I do have my work keys on the D-ring, so just put that on top. See what's in the pocket. Got another Louis Vuitton perfume sample. I bought this on the Facebook group. I think it's California Dream, maybe. I've got lighter and a measuring tape. That doesn't have to fit, so I'll just put that back in the pocket. That's all that's in there. And I'm shocked. Everything does fit. I do have a key pouch, monogram Louis Vuitton key pouch that my car keys are on, but I don't, it's in the living room, so it would fit right here. Let's see. Perfect. Wow. It's not bulging. Let's see. Oh, wow. I don't know, guys. I think I might keep it. I didn't think it was going to fit all my stuff. And now I love it. I'm not going to put the strap on yet because just in case I do sell it, I want it to be completely unused. So I would use, if I do decide to use it for now, I would use my monogram 16mm strap that I also got in the Facebook groups. I'm telling you, you guys are missing out on the Facebook groups. You need to get on there. I found so many good deals on there. I got this in the Facebook groups, and then I sent it for the repair, The repair cost $440, and I bought it for $829. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 69. $12.69. That's not bad. I think that's about how much it cost when it was still in store. So yeah, I just wanted to come on and show you guys the finished product of my favorite MM repair. Oh, I don't know if I already mentioned, but I sent it in November, and I just got it back yesterday. So it's one of the quicker repairs I've gotten back. I've had repairs take 9 months, and this one took about, not November, the beginning of December. So it took about a month and a half. So that's a really good turnaround time compared to what I've seen before. But yeah, I don't think I have anything else to add. I might do a video about the Keep All. Speedy 25 was the bag I used last week. But it's time to switch, and I think it's going to be into the Favorite. So if you guys have any questions about the repair process, just let me know in the comment section. Also, I'm going to be doing a video because I'm going to do a giveaway, my first giveaway. I really want to get 1,000 subscribers in the next 6 months. So when I get to 200 subscribers, I have like 30 right now. When I get to 200 subscribers, I'm going to do a Louis Vuitton giveaway of some kind of small leather good. So a card holder, a key pouch, something like that. It will be a small leather good. So like, comment, subscribe. Help me get to 200 subscribers, and I will do a Louis Vuitton giveaway. I think that's it. Until next time. See you guys later. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day. Bye.